Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update for Google Chrome, and it arrived today, but it doesn't seem to be an update that has security fixes. It seems to be an update that mostly has bug fixes and tweaks of new features. So if you go to the upper right corner, three vertical dots, go down to Help, go down to About Google Chrome, you'll be moved to version 149.0.7827.197. And this, according to the blog post of Chrome, they only say that there's a log of bug fixes and changes. So it would seem that we probably will have two updates this week to Google Chrome. We have this one, which has bug fixes, and we'll probably have one in the next couple of days that has the security updates for the week in the Chrome version. So you will probably be getting this as it's starting to roll out today and through the rest of the week. And we'll be looking out for any security updates for Chrome within the week. And of course, we'll talk about that when it arrives. These bug fixes usually also are for Chromium browsers, so that means that the Chromium browsers might update with these fixes. It could happen actually at the same time as the security updates also. Depends on the browser that you're using. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.